Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, this is lesson number 7 and name of the lesson is My Neighborhood. Yes, and warm up is here. Which places do you see while returning from school? Tick them. See dear student, question is asked here. The places given: police station, bank, market, hospital. Yes, while coming from the school, which places have you seen? That you have to tick. Yes, if you have seen police station, tick there. If you have seen bank, tick it there. If you have seen market, tick there. Otherwise, if you have seen hospital, tick there. Now, the area around our house is our neighborhood. There are many places in neighborhood. People living in a neighborhood are our neighbors. See, the area around our house is our neighborhood. Yes, where we are living, area of our living place is our neighborhood. There are many places in a neighborhood, and in our neighborhood there are so many places. People living in a neighborhood are our neighbors, and those people they are living our neighborhood are called our neighbors. See, places in the neighborhood. See, which places we can find in the neighborhood here given. Each neighborhood has a market. See, each neighborhood places has a market from where people buy fruits and vegetables, and from the market which is available in the neighborhood area, people are buying fruits and vegetables. They also buy things for daily needs as well, and which things they need daily, that things also they are buying from where? From the market. We can also buy clothes and medicines, and even we can buy the clothes and medicine from the market which is necessary. There can be a hospital in a neighborhood. Doctors and nurses work in a hospital. Here is the picture of market, dear students, and people are going there for buying the fruits and vegetables and the things which they need. And even there is a hospital in the neighborhood area, and who works in the hospital? Doctors and nurses, they are working in the hospital. See dear student, here is the picture of hospital, here is the picture of market. Doctors and nurses, they are working in the hospital. Even you can see the picture of ambulance is also there. Yes. Each neighborhood has a school, and dear student, we have school in our neighborhood also. See, here is the school, and children they are going to a school. Each neighborhood has a school. Most children of the area study in that school, and most children are from that area. They are studying where? They are studying in the school. It is great fun to study with friends who live close by, and the friends which they are living the close by the area, it is very having great fun to study with those friends. There is a post office nearby too, and see in the market in our neighbor area there is the post office. The postman from the post office comes to deliver letters, and in the post office there is a postman. He comes to deliver letters. Yes, when people want to send gifts or post letters, they go there. And why we are using this post office? You can see here post office. it is written here. See, the people, those they want to send gifts or post letters, they are going there, they are visiting post office. They go there. You can also buy postcards, stamps and envelopes there. And what we can buy from the post office? We can buy postcards, stamps and envelopes from the post office. Understood, dear students? Here you can see police station. Yes, the board is written here. The police station is the office of the police. What is police station, dear student? It is the office of the police. They keep the people safe. And what are they doing? Police, what do? They keep the people safe. Yes, and police station, it is the office of police. Here is the picture. Yes, can you think of some people who work in the different places in our neighborhood? Will you tell me, dear student? Now here we have discussed about market, hospital, school, post office, police station. Is there any place where people are working? You have to tell me in comment box. Now even fire station is there. Yes, the fire station has fire brigades and firefighters who help put out fire. Here is the fire station. What does the fire station do? Fire station has fire brigades, and this fire station, they have fire brigades and firefighters who help put out fire. If there is a big fire, these fire brigades vehicles come and they are helping to put out fire, to stop fire. Banks are places where we can save our money or take out money. Here is the picture of bank. For what you are going to the bank, dear students? Will you tell me for what you are using the banks? Comment it fast. Yes, banks are places where we can save our money. People are going in the bank to save money, to keep money and to take out money also. Yes, from the bank. All neighborhoods have a park. See, and all the neighborhood area, they have park. Yes, park is there, children ground is there, children are going there in the park for playing. Children play there in the evening, and in the evening what do? Children play in the park. People go there to take a walk or to exercise. People are going in the park for what? To have walk or exercise. It can have trees and flower beds, and this park picture is there. This park may have trees and flower beds. So many trees are there, so many different flowers are there. Quick check. Which is your favorite place in your neighborhood? Why? See, now this many places we have learned: school, market, hospital, post office, fire station, banks, park, police station. Yes or no? Which is your favorite place that you have to say? Discuss with your classmate and you have to discuss why that is your favorite place. Now new words are given here, dear students. Neighborhood, the places around our house. What is neighborhood? The places which are around our house. Neighbors, people who live in our neighborhood. What is the neighbor, dear student? Will you tell me name of your neighbors who is living next to your home? The people who live in our neighborhood. Bank, a place where we save money and get money from. Yes, bank means where we can save the money and we can take the money. Now this is the lesson which we have learned, neighborhood. That is the concept recall of neighborhood. See, which are the neighborhood places we have learned? We have learned market, hospital, post office, fire station, bank, park, police station, school. We have learned the uses of them and how do they work, how do they help in as our community places. Let's start with the exercise. Write T for true and F for false sentences. There are many places in a neighborhood. What is it, dear student? There are many places in a neighborhood. True or false? That is true. Most neighborhoods do not have a school. Most neighborhoods do not have a school. False. We go to the post office to send gifts or letters to people. We go to the post office to send gifts or letters to people. True. The people who work in the bank keep us safe. False. Neighbors can meet each other and enjoy in a park. Bank. False, because people they come together and enjoy in a park, not in a bank. Bank people will throw us out. Filling the blanks. What is the second question? Filling the blanks. 1. Doctor and dash dash work in a hospital. Doctor and nurses are working in hospital. Most children go to a neighborhood dash dash. Most children go to a neighborhood school. A dash dash is a place where we save our money and take out money from. A bank is a place where we save our money and take out money from. Yes, there are many dash dash and dash dash in a park. There are many trees and flower beds in a park. People can dash dash in a park. People can do exercise in a park. Again I am reading it for you, dear students. Doctor and nurses work in a hospital. Second, most children go to a neighborhood school. A bank is a place where we save our money and take out money from. 4. There are many trees and flower beds in a park. 5. People can do exercise in a park. Now our question 3 is, dear student, answer the following questions in one sentence. Answer the following question in one sentence. What do we buy from the neighborhood market? What do we buy from neighborhood market? See, dear students, I am reading this question number 3. Answer the following questions in one sentence. What do we buy from neighborhood market? We can buy fruits and vegetables from the market. Second, where do doctors and nurses work? Doctors and nurses work in the hospital. Third, name some of the things that we can buy from the post office. We can buy postcards, stamps and envelopes from the post office. What is a bank? A bank is a place where we save our money and take out money from. 5. Who helps put out fire? A fire brigade and firefighters help us to put out fire. Now let's go on the next page. Value best. See, do you know your neighbor's name of them? Here you have to write your neighbor's name and their home number. Yes. See, this is what we have finished our lesson. To get more videos, dear students, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.